Okay, those are the ducks right there. They're sleeping. The second that I pull this curtain back, they're going to wake up. Watch this. Cat's watching. Would like to go outside. Watch what happens when I do this. Hold on. See that? Look at that. Now watch what happens when I open the door. Now it's just complete mayhem. I obviously want to be fed.